Hello friend! Ayan yung intro. Welcome back to Mariel and Rems vlog. Magluluto tayo ng fried rice. Our version of fried rice. O yan yung ating ingredients. So si Ate Mariel, ayun, kinuha na niya yung kanyang apron at sinuot na niya. Pagkatapos, kukuha na rin siya ng rice para sa pagluluto ng fried rice natin. So, i-ready na niya yung kanyang rice. So, ayun, hintayin na lang natin si Ate Mariel na matapos siya sa kanyang pagsasandok ng rice. Ano ba yan? Ang tagal naman ni Ate Mariel. Bilisan mo naman. Ayan, sumilip si Dap. Siya yung videography ko. Ayan, si Ate Mariel. Litong-lito na rin siya dyan sa kanyang gagawin. Ang dami kasing storbo eh. O yan, magluluto ka ba Ate Mariel o hindi? O ano? Oh, si Ate Mariel litong-lito na dyan. Sandali lang. Here's our ingredients. Soy sauce, garlic, sliced less fat ham, scrambled egg, and fried sliced hot dog. Ate Mariel, here's the spring onion and the rice there. Pambihira, Ate Mariel. Ate Mariel, she wants to put the olive oil. But, she already put the canola oil. Ha? Ayun, litong-lito pa si Ate Mariel. Hindi naman talaga niya binuksan eh. Oh my gosh, Ate Mariel. Ate Mariel, bilisan mo na magluto. Nagugutom na yung mga alaga mo. Ayan. Si Ate Mariel mag-uumpisa na siyang saute. Saute the garlic, Ate Mariel. There. Very good, Ate Mariel. Make sure naka-on yung exhaust fan mo, Ate Mariel. Ate Mariel. Very good. Hininaan ni Ate Mariel yung kalan niya. Medyo malakas yata yung nilakasan pa ni Ate Mariel yung kalan niya. What's next, Ate Mariel? Nilakasan ni Ate Mariel siguro para mabilis luto yung garlic. Next, Ate Mariel. You put the hot dog. Very good, Ate Mariel. Mix it. Yan. Next the spot ham. Mix it. And then, isunod mo na rin dyan, Ate Mariel, yung rice. Very good talaga si Ate Mariel. Yan, naka-apron pa yan. Yan. You put the rice. Careful, Ate Mariel. Very good. Next, mix it together. Mix it together until combine the ingredients. Very good. Mix it together. Very good. Next, put the egg. That's yummy. You know guys, yung fried rice is my kids' favorite. Palagi silang nagre-request na magluto daw ako ng fried rice. Kasi hindi na ako magluluto ng ulam. Kasi nandyan na rin yung hotdog tsaka yung egg, yan, nilagay na ni Ate Mariel yung soy sauce. Mix it, Ate Mariel. Very good. Fried rice is life. Well, may ulam na yan. Nandiyan na yung hotdog, yung ham, this fat ham, then may egg. Ang ginawa ko dyan, pinirito ko muna lang yung hotdog, pinirito ko muna din yung egg, at saka yung this fat ham, saka ko ini-slice. Para pag iniluto ko is naka-ready na, halo na lang ng halo. Ayan, very good, Ate Mariel. Naglagay na rin si Ate Mariel ng black pepper. Okay, that's good, Ate Mariel. Masarap yan. Looks delicious. Mix it together, Ate Mariel. Ayan. So, nagbili na sa ating si Rem na tirahan ko rin daw siya ng fried rice para baon niya bukas sa school. Yan, umalis pa si Ate Mariel. Yan, halo-halo naman si Ate Mariel. So, Ate Mariel, lagyan mo rin ng asin. Yan. Naglagay si Ate Mariel ng iodized salt. A little bit of iodized salt. So, isunod mo na rin, Ate Mariel, yung spring onion. Very good. Mix it. Nahalo-halo na ni Ate Mariel yung fried rice. Very good, Ate Mariel. Bilis-bilis mo, Ate Mariel. Nagugutom na yung mga alaga mo. Ate Mariel, Bilis-bilisan mo dyan. Nagugutom na yung mga alaga mo. Tama na yan, Ate Marial. Gutom na sila. Ayan, patapos na yan si Ate Marial. Titikman pa niya yan. Oh, masarap. Masarap. Ayan, kumain na si Jap. Makain habang nag-aaral. Oh my gosh. Ayan, kumakain na dyan si Ate Marial. Tapos nang kumain yung mga bata. Siya naman ang kumakain. May patawa-tawa pa. Kain lang, Ate Marial. Yan, tinabi na rin niya dyan yung baon ni Rem bukas. Very good, Ate Marial. Ano kaya sinasabi niya? Hindi ko marinig ang sinasabi mo, Ate Marial. So, guys, thank you for watching.